Fact or fiction, all successful entrepreneurs have a high risk tolerance. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets. Today, we're diving into a popular belief in the world of entrepreneurship, that all successful entrepreneurs have a high risk tolerance. But is this fact or fiction? Let's unpack this notion and explore the realities behind risk-taking in business. When we think about entrepreneurs, we often picture bold individuals who leap into the unknown with confidence. This image is fueled by stories of famous entrepreneurs who took significant risks and reaped huge rewards. Think about Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, or Richard Branson. Their journeys include moments of uncertainty and considerable risk, leading many to conclude that a high-risk tolerance is essential for success. However, let's take a step back and consider a broader perspective. Risk tolerance varies greatly among individuals, and it can be influenced by numerous factors, including personality traits, life experiences, and even financial situations. While some entrepreneurs thrive on risk, others prefer a more calculated approach. Many successful entrepreneurs actually practice what we call calculated risk-taking. This means they assess potential risks and rewards before making decisions. They gather data, analyze trends, and consider various scenarios to minimize potential losses. This strategy allows them to make informed choices, rather than simply jumping in headfirst. Furthermore, we see a variety of entrepreneurial styles. For instance, some entrepreneurs find success by focusing on niche markets or solving specific problems in unique ways. These individuals might take fewer risks overall, but their thorough research and understanding of their target audience can lead to significant success. Their strategies often involve patience and a gradual approach to growth, proving that high-risk tolerance isn't the only path to success. Additionally, let's not forget the role of resilience in entrepreneurship. Many successful entrepreneurs have faced failures and setbacks, but it's their ability to learn from these experiences that sets them apart. Resilience doesn't necessarily correlate with a high-risk tolerance. Rather, it reflects a commitment to growth and a willingness to adapt. So where does this leave us? It's clear that while some entrepreneurs are comfortable with taking risks, it is not a universal trait among all successful business owners. Risk tolerance is just one piece of the puzzle. Factors like strategy, research, resilience, and adaptability play crucial roles in achieving entrepreneurial success. In conclusion, the idea that all successful entrepreneurs have a high-risk tolerance is more fiction than fact. There are many paths to success in entrepreneurship, and understanding your own risk tolerance is key. Embrace your unique style, whether it involves high stakes or a more cautious approach. Thank you for watching Side Income Secrets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of entrepreneurship. Remember, success comes in many forms, and your journey is what you make of it. See you in the next video.